hope everyone has been keeping well with all these weird times that are surrounding us. And I hope everyone is being very successful with social distancing. Social distancing, it's something that everyone has to do. It's a good thing. So just wanted to, mention that there's ways to social distance. Hey Dave, how's it going, buddy?
Good, buddy. How are you?
I am having fun social distancing. It is the highlight of my day. How about you?
Man, I am the social distance king. I social distance all the time. This is my world.
That's pretty awesome, Dave. 10-4.
10-4.
Oh hey!
Oh hey! How's it going? We're social distancing.
Hey! Good to see you, Dave.
Yeah, you too, buddy. How's the truck doing?
Loving the truck right now.
That's a Warlock, right?
It is a Warlock, and usually when I park about this far away from somebody, it's about 6 feet, good for social distancing.
Yeah, I would say it's about 6 feet, give or take. I think it's about 6 feet anyway.
All joking aside, it was good to see Dave from Blind Man Overland. We're out scouting a couple new campsites we were looking at. Pretty excited for doing some more camping this year when this is all done. Well, thanks for joining for another episode, everyone. Just wanted to do this episode mainly as cool things I bought on Amazon and can't wait to try out when we can get out and into the backcountry again. So when we were doing some winter camping, we ended up using a lot of the propane cylinders. I'd go through on a -15 night, probably 2 to 3 of them. So it gets a little bit pricey when you got to keep buying them. So I ordered this little item that allows us to fill them off a larger tank. So it's kind of fun. I'm going to go through that with you guys. Another really cool item is this life straw. And I can't wait to try this out. What this life straw is, basically you can use it to filter the water and drink right out of a water source. So this is going to be a really good piece of bushcraft gear for helping out in the bush when you need some water. So I can't wait to try this one out. So after doing some winter camping and realizing how many bottles I was burning through, I did see on Amazon this really cool little valve that will allow you to fill the smaller 16-ounce propane bottles up with a larger tank. So decided to order it in and give it a try. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to purge the tank. Want to make sure there's nothing in there, so we're going to purge the tank right now. And you can kind of hear that nothing more coming out. We're good to go. So how you want to do this is you want to take your tank, which is 16 ounces of product inside, and see what your tank weighs first. So you're 14.6 ounces. So add 16 to that, you should be right around 30 ounces. If you fill it to right around 29, you should be safe. You don't want to overfill these. That's why you want to make sure you got the proper amount of propane inside the tank. Okay, so now that we have the tank purged, we just screw it onto the adapter. Like so, and open her up. And you can hear the propane flowing into the tank. So you can actually hear the propane flowing into the tank. When you can no longer hear it flowing into the tank, you want to turn the propane off. Okay, so on the first fill, you heard where it kind of stopped going into the tank. It's because there's air inside the tank. What you want to do now is you want to purge the air out. You just want to hit her about 5 or 6 times. There we go. That gets rid of the air that's inside the tank so that we can continue to fill it up. Alright, so this is our second time filling it up, and we are sitting at 22.1. So we have A couple more ounces to go before it's full again, and again have to purge it just so we get rid of that air. And we'll put her back on the tank. And we should have this this little tank all filled and ready to go for the next time we do it. There we go. And again, we can hear it flowing into the tank. Okay, let's weigh it and see where she came out. We actually got her weighed in at 29.3 ounces. That's pretty good. I would say 29 to 30 ounces is just about perfect on this. You do have to weigh your tank before you start filling. Some of them have metal bottoms on them, so they weigh a little bit more than some of the other tanks that are out there. But this one's ready to go. One other thing to note, there is a Schrader valve which is supposed to allow you to vent the whole system out. I've heard a lot of instances where these Schrader valves get stuck a lot. So that's why it's just as easy to grab something and poke the actual inlet here to vent it out. You can use the Schrader valve if you want, but with the failure rates that I've been hearing that they have, I think it's more reliable to actually just vent it out the top. Alright, it's primed. I can drink out of it now. Let's see.
Jason, I think we need to discuss some charges on the credit card I just found.
Just want to thank everyone for tuning in. Hit the bell notification. I got a couple of really cool videos that we've been working on. Amber versus clear, what is better? And also road legal lighting. Is it actually worthwhile having on the road, or is it just a nuisance to other drivers that are out there? Definitely keep in touch. Got some cool stuff coming.